Hey everyone, it's Vay. Never thought this would be the first video, or if I feel like uploading at the time, this would be the first freaking video that comes up on my channel, the gaming channel, not the main channel. It's dead, so I'll bring something alive. But yeah, this is a mod I have been watching from a distance and heard it came out a few hours ago and only recently got the chance to download it. I've been following since all kinds of drama was going on. But I've been keeping in touch, watching, and Express is that mod. And already I am getting a very good vibe from this one. Looks hella creepy, but then again, I love creepy. Oh, that's an interesting touch right there. But yeah, let's... Okay, Splatjack, I guess the head honcho Express, that actually made me spook. But yeah, let's take a listen. Ooh, spooky. I like that. Oh, I love the train theme. Oh, there's this guy. Ooh, this has good fucking sound. Oh, he reminds me of Orin Ao. I legit got me chills. Damn. I really love these beats right here. I think beat number 3 and 4 is probably going to be my favorite from this one. I love 3. The design, the eyes, and I don't know if you can hear it, but the bass just rattled my ears. But then again, these are new headphones. Hello? Huh, interesting. Most mods usually have the bass effect in effect number 1, but Express is different. And I like different. So, Demon Dream? I love the sounds, too. Reminds me of the Void mod. Oh, there's the bass. My ears are vibrating. I love music, but this is a damn good touch. That's amazing. And a different eye style, too. Oh, fuck. So a hot whistle. Oh, that is a good effect right there. Honestly, this is sounding amazing right now. Once again, number 3 and 4 has me up at it. So far, this mod is turning into what is going to be my personal favorite. It used to be Page because of the dramatic sounds most of the effects have, even though that is a bit buggy in the visuals. But this is unreal. And it's the melodies that usually take the cake. So let's hear the first one. That just sounds dramatic. An angel. Holy shit, this sounds amazing. Unreal. Oh, this is the sound from the trailer! Sorry, I'm just vibing right now. Just like the fucking trailer. Oh my god. Oh, that is creative. The keys in the eye. C sharp. That is attention to detail. That is absurd attention to detail right there with the key, the left eye. Well, it's right eye, but for us it's the left. Switching to the different notes. That's creative. Okay, I haven't even listened to the voices yet, and I'm already in love with this mod. But yeah, let's hear the voices. And this guy reminds me of Mario because of the icon, but it's not, ain't it? Oh, we found the laugh. I assume that's the train conductor. That should be an effect, but that's still fucking badass. Reminds me of one of my characters. No, yeah, let's see the next one. I love choir sounds. Love them. Love them. Love them. And that one is beautiful.
When runners hard enough, you need to feed fast. They're being pretty of their coming on express. When runners hard enough, you need
I don't understand what he's saying, but it sounds
They're being pretty of their coming on express.
Oh my god! He fucking reminds me of Gold from Hypno's Lullaby.
Agony and tragedy for entities and cavities. Apathy and apogee with rapidly insanities.
Oh,
Fantasy,
I like that
reality,
8-bit
uncanny low
sound.
mentalities. Vanity, depravity, and fallacy, eternity. Agony and tragedy for entities and cavities. Apathy and apogee with rapidly insanities. Fantasy, reality, uncanny low mentalities. Vanity, depravity, and fallacy, eternity. Agony and tragedy for
Honestly, the way the mod sounds alone, it gives me chills. The choir effects, all of it. I am lost for words.
agony and tragedy for entities and cavities. Apathy and apogee with rapidly insanities. Fantasy, reality, uncanny low mentalities. Vanity, depravity, and fallacy, eternity. Agony and tragedy for entities and cavities. Apathy and apogee with rapidly insanities. Fantasy, reality, uncanny low mentalities. Vanity, depravity, and fallacy, eternity. Agony and tragedy.
Honestly, that's the way you have to end a song right there. But yeah, that is a hell of a mod, Splat. I will leave as much credits in the description as I can. But for the record, I don't do a whole lot of Friday Night Funkin' mod downloading. I only really download it if it sounds good. I only downloaded this because it looked interesting from the images that I've seen, and I avoided any and all of the leaks that happened. But honestly, this mod actually beats Page in my personal ratings, and I give it a solid 9.8 out of 10. That's incredible. But that's why it's called Incredibox. But that's it for me. Please like, share, subscribe, and follow for more.